Come, O Jesus, come to me, reign as King within my heart, bound in love's sweet unity. Let me ne'er from thee depart. In thy grace let me dissolve, one with thee my soul's resolve.
Unworthy is this house of mine to host a guest so pure, divine. Yet speak a word, a healing breath, to claim me yours beyond all death.
Thou art the breath that stirs my life, the Lord of light, the end of strife, to dwell in thee through endless days, lost within thy holy gaze.
My spirit's bread, my sacred food, the balm that heals and brings the good, my manna through this desert land, the pledge of heaven from thine own hand.
Sweeter than the honey's flow, the joy thy tender touch bestows, the fragrance in the blooming flower that scents my soul each passing hour.
Rise within me, Son of grace.
Let thy love shine through my face.
Melt my pride and mold my clay.
To light the